That's a nice one too. More will stay on there, baby. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Hey, I'm Logan from Logan Mills Fishing. I want to do something a little different today. Today, I got a mystery tackle box for Christmas. I've never tried to use any of these. This is my first ever one I've gotten. I want to open it up here. In a little bit, we're going to go down to the local pond. And we're going to try and catch some fish with it. First, you open it up. If you catch fish based on the length, you could take a picture of it and tag mystery tackle box, and there's a chance for a prize. But first, when I open it, I get a booklet that kind of helps me, tells me how to flay fish, and talks about the box and talks about lures and fishing in general. And then I have this tells me what is inside the box. I got 5 items here. It's a cool sticker that came with it. And then we have a jig. I like jigs. I usually I use one jig in particular, but I'm gonna try this. I've never tried a Googan Squad jig before. Then we have some EWG hooks. These are really good hooks. If I could get one out. Really nice hooks. Really expensive and strong hooks. And we have Biospawn, like little crawl looking baits. And then we have, I don't even know what these are. I guess these are more crawfish looking baits. I don't know if I'm going to throw this on the jig or the other one. We'll decide. I think the 2 hardest baits though, it's probably going to be the jig, and then this is rattle trap. A thwacker. I think that's how you say it, thwacker. I don't know how to say it. This rattle trap. This and the jig are probably going to be the hardest things to catch fish on. But we're going to see. We'll meet y'all down there at the pond. I'm going to get these tied on. We'll see you there. We finally made it down to the pond. It's a lot lower than expected. But I'm going to try this big bite crawfish looking bait. We're going to try this first. See if we can get first one quick. And we're going to move on. And we're going to try and get all 5 of the baits done. There's number 1. Oh, all muddy now. Boy. Small one. Oh, sorry. Got him like perfect spot. There we go. That's number 1. It's a little small guy. But that's the hooks and the first bait we use down. And so now, I'll probably be on to, splash me. I'll probably use the jig now. Get those out the way, the easier baits, and I'm gonna have to work towards the rattle trap, which is probably gonna be the most difficult. This is the second bait we'll be using. It's the jig with the Biospawn Crawl on the back. What's nice about it is the bottom of it's flat right there. So when it's on the bottom, it sits straight up and down and walks. And these will flutter and give it good action. I'm gonna try and use this one. I think this one's gonna be a little bit more challenging because it's a bigger bait, but I don't know. We're gonna see if we can get number 2. There's a lot of trees and structure, whatnot in the water. caught a bedfish here. Just gonna go dock. Ugh, some bones. Man, this dock feels so much taller because it's out the water now. Ooh, that's a nice one too. Come on, stay on there, baby. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That is a nice one right there. I think this fish would be over, and that one over 14 inches, you think? Let's see. Let's measure him. See how big this guy is. Oh wait. If I put his tail there, yeah, he's about 15. All right, so how do we catch a fish? Yeah, here, we'll do this. We're gonna, and then that's the challenge for the box is done, but I'm gonna try and get, I got one last bait. That's a little far. I'll hop down. Oh man, that's just mud. Thank you, Jesus. It's number 2. Dang, she's gone quick. Oh man. We just got the second fish, and that was on the jig. Now I'm moving on to the rattle trap. I'm gonna try and get the last one on this, and that challenge will be complete. I already got one that was over 14. That challenge is done. I'm gonna try and get one on the last bait in the box, and now I'm gonna just fish some. Oh, no way, no way. Oh, that was sick. Well, that's a little dangerous there as well. Let me not. Don't want to hook in my hand today. All right, no way. That was crazy. That's number 3. All the baits in the box are done. This guy's a little small, but I don't care. I got it done. I got one that was over 14 as well, so all the baits are done. I got the challenge done. Thank you, Jesus. That's number 5. Or no, that's number 3. Number 3. Whew. A little muddy here. She's gone. Now I'm gonna just fish for fun now. That was awesome. Fish was on my line. Whoa, what? I swam it and he ate it. That was cool. I swam the jig and he ate it. That was a small one. Man, that jig, dang, that jig's bigger than him. Ooh, man. Sorry, fish. Ah, I hate to mess them up. I didn't mean to. That's number 4. He's a little guy. I'm surprised he ate it. I hate to throw him, but I can't get down there. She'll be alright. Or he'll be alright. Whatever. I'm trying to get number 5.
So give me your opinion on your mystery tackle box you got and what you think about it, if you'd use the baits again or not.
Yeah, I would. The jig, I would definitely use. The Big Bite. I think that's what in the red package, the little crawfish. I'd use that again. The rattle trap, sadly, I did lose it. But yeah, I would use them. I like the mystery tackle box. It's fun. It's different. This is the first one, you know, I've ever really done, and it was fun. It's difficult though, because the type of, I think these baits would have worked better for the lake, just because what we're fishing, you know, I mean, one of the fish were big, but the other ones were kind of small. So I think if they were smaller, or we were on the lake, they'd work a little better. But they still worked, and the fish. They still caught fish, and I liked it. I really liked the mystery tackle box. I'd probably buy another one again. But that's my opinion on them. I think they're pretty good. Kitten. Well, that's number 5. Oops, come here. Oh, this is the second one I swam it again. I don't think it's a swim jig. It didn't say it was. I thought it was just a regular jig. It's the second one I swam it and hit it. Another small guy. It's cold though. The water's freezing. It's like in the 50s. Release him. That's too shallow. Going like that. No way. That is the. Oh no, it came off. That one might have been a little too small. Dang, that's our third one. That would have been the third one I caught while swimming it. So weird. It's a jig, but it works. Swimming it. I'm surprised. It might be a swim jig though. I didn't think it was. But hey, I'll take it. There he is. Oh, he hit it twice. Oh, came back for it. Oh, no. He hit it 3 times. Dang. Man, he hit my lure 3 times before he finally got it. Man. I don't know if he'll come back though. That's all. We're done for the day. Got the 5, completed the challenges. We're probably gonna go home now. It's starting to rain and it's chilly outside. It's crazy. It's December and it's like 70 degrees. Just love the weather. We'll see you in the next one. Remember, stay hooked. Fish over there. Right there. That was cool. I don't even know what number that is, but that's another one on the jig.
That's 7.
7? It's number 7 on the jig. Ooh, another little guy. Ooh, got it through. Number 7. Thank you, Jesus. Little guy. Just swimming it still working.